ka Nong Talang Government Secondary School Nong Talang ha ka arpun reuthrik nailur da ka jing ipu ipieng kala yo pen play ka jing sedang jong ka jing lek kemen jubilee siar ni Golden Jubilee Celebration ka ba an pun kut ha ubenai nopra u MLA kathain ba la kemen rumbui ulalong kum ukong san ban penher ya kalama kum kada ka jing sedang jong ka jing rakhe ha ka jing don lang ka District School Education Officer West Giant Hills District ka kong Almo PCM ba Holando Lamin MDC kathan kinong alam shnong nadu ki wahe shnong secretary shnong kirirang ba ka shnong kumju kinong hikay ki khna school ki kemi ki pa nalor ki we uba la kemen rumbui ha ka jingkren ulayaro ya ka Nong Talang Government Secondary School ka blaseng da ka dorbar shnong Nong Talang kalong ka jingmantoy ka bakrawi khna puli kathan bar klase ru shibun ki riu khra ngas ngong sarong shibun kum ukhon ka Nong Talang ban ong ya kani ka kentien ba ka dorbash nong Talang kalong shisha ka missionary ha ka bapen kriang ya ka jingnang jingstan ha kani ka than la ong uba rambui ha ka bayade ba ka puli puthi uba rumbui ula ong ka puli puthi ka juk menta ka don kam ya ka jingkala ka bathamai ka jing mut jing perkhat ba ka jinga trelang ban pen bet ya ki jing e jong ki khana Kiwede kibla ajing kran kilong ka kong APCM District School Education Officer ba Holando Lamin MDC ba Albert Lingdo Assistant Headmaster ba Min Lingdo Wahesh Nong Talang nalor kiwe Lapun pho pun pieng ya kani ka jingrak he de jing shat ba jingruai bala shim menta de gi khna jong kani ka school
long ikhna ki ba nang tam man pule nang ban prakha critical thinking tamban pule nang ban pusan. It is very important. Pide ban pusan yak pule. Hato kihi kayengi nakabanta ka germination of seeds kadai na kamde. Practice pila ban yo ya kita ke. Sakawe ka bang kwa. Kama ang mene kamde syo ka basuk ban yo kam sarkar. Haray ki kam ki belai. Ladang idon kata kasap ka skills. Hamne high school kaladon ko vocational training. Nakamta artli lightly ki trade ngam kemau. What ship ketu kadai tamba pins yo score max m learn. And who knows? You will teach others. Dan takada kabakong san galong ba day shoot bangin lay sa school ngipule ya kabahikay babu bupi lanlandat hayim anda puak exam ng sito tang ya katu kaba ngi ihikay bat ndray pendan kam ya ka ek pule deta kadaw hak na po life is very tough. You have to face so many hardships in studying. But those hardships, those difficulties will empower you, will make you the one who can challenge the world. I'm sure, I wish the student of Nong Talang Government Secondary School commit themselves that I will be someone. I will stand on my own feet. I can transfer my skills to the other. I can educate the other. And I will be a good human being. More importantly, the one who is as an asset to society. Keep up anything, any thought, any mind for all this substance abuse, for all this drug or other substance abuse. Don't ever let that thought, that mind infiltrate into your mindset. But prepare yourself to face that. Come what may, I will be an asset to the society. With these few words, I wish the Nong Talang Government Secondary School family the best, and more importantly, that this celebration, which culminating on the 13th of December. More importantly, as I told you, let this celebration, my dear teacher, take the student to learn the life problem, how to solve the problem, how to engage themselves with companies, how to engage themselves with entrepreneurship so that it will become more fruitful. This is what, thank you much. God bless you. Kublai Shibun, Yabar Kublai.
The hard work, the dedication, the perseverance of our forefathers, if I may say so, in bringing the Nong Talang Government Secondary School as it is today. It is because of their clear vision, because of their mission, and because of their interest in uplifting the field of education in this part of our state that the Nong Talang Government Secondary School is as it is today. So a huge appreciation and gratitude goes to the elders of this community, of this village, who have foreseen the importance of education to set up an educational institution in this part in order to impart quality education to the people of this village and the nearby villages.
Come on, friends, let us sing and shout. Let our voices ring aloud. Let our melodious song we sing. We make you feel at home here. We welcome, we welcome. LGSS in you warmly welcome. We welcome, we welcome. LGSS in you warmly welcome.
Cắt ba sai hơi u đang đi em, cắt ba ca đinh ca đang hẹn, cắt ba ri ti đang ba, chân chân riêuกันđang em xem, ao sai hơi u đang đi em, quạt cha ban lên nó, dungin keduk ri gendong. Jingkermen bakandong Kan bani dang keren lakak di Jad bin riu dandang im Dasyuk hak libatnya Bangit sumariaka Ungin pende ako turong Gaya tingkran kana Hanya sanam shisha Menor mentaba syirna Kasila boy San pau telikisne Tang jingken ma Bajingken ut kishlay Oh 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 yarisa Hoy kiu min ya perta Saudong yin ya sha Haban dahun klem data Oh 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 yarisa Hoy kiu min ya perta Saudong yin ya sha Haban dahun klem data Siya bom chiu kut men red na ching kuslay Ya kamen ta